In today's lesson, I'm going to cover equations. If you are new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for free and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss our lessons. Let us look at this example. Example number 1, it reads, solve the equation 6x plus 7 minus 2x is equal to 19. First, we need to remove these brackets. How do we remove them? It's very simple. Here is positive 7 if nothing is written. And then we are going to write 6x like this. Then positive times positive. This will actually give us positive 7. And then positive times negative 2x. This will give us negative 2x. Because we have multiplied different signs, positive by positive or negative by negative. Let me switch for you to see. All right. And then is equals to 19. Let's simplify. Grouping like terms now. 6x minus 2x plus 7 is equals to 19. What I want you to do is to rearrange, just rearranging, right? We are going to use the equal sign as a barrier or a dual. So we have just rearranged, but nothing has caused the equal sign. So you have to take one step at a time and you master the concept. Now 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x, then plus 7 is equal to 19. And then now positive 7, I want to move it to the right hand side. So it will change the sign to become negative 7. So this will reduce to 4x is equals to 13. Then we divide both sides by 4. 4 into 4, that's 1, which is x. And then 4 into 12, that's 3, without a remainder. So let us now move on to the next example, which is example 2. Example 2 of the question. Now pause and answer this example 2. Very simple. You see the question? This is the question. Pause and answer it. What did you get? All right. You shall see that first attempting will enhance your understanding. Let us do it together. 7y minus 2y positive 6 is equal to 16. Then positive 2y minus 5. And we have to simplify this, and it will give us 5y plus 6, which is equal to 11 plus 2y. 16 minus 5, that is the one which give us 11. Then grouping like terms, we have to, I want you to assume that the equal sign is a dual. And if anything crosses the equal sign, it have to change the sign. And the positive 6, if it moves to the right, is going to change the sign. So this will give us this expression. 5 minus 2y is equal to 11 minus 6, which will reduce to 3y is equal to 5. And then we have to divide both sides by 3. And our final answer becomes y is equal to 3 into 3, that's 1. 3 into 5, that's 1. Remainder 2 over 3. So this is our final answer there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, or visit our website mugombionlineschool.com and enroll for a full course. Thank you.